Oh hi people, I forgotten to something important because what I want to tell you, because what I did, because I created a new scene and today I must tell you something important. You know when you use application Blender, Blender has option that you can pack external files to Blend file. Any textures which you import, you have option external data, automatically pack resources. So any texture which you import to the scene, they will be in Blender file. But today I must show to you how to import textures to new scene because I will have to import because I have already got materials. Like no textures. Hopefully, I will be able to import textures, customize, configure project paths, external files. But the other thing is because they they are funny about this version because texture doesn't show up automatically. Performance we can also direct mode. I just have to double check something because I don't see any texture reload. Oh yes, I'm sorry people. I just didn't see this. I also have to check this because actually this didn't include texture. We have texture tiles. Oh no, this was supposed to be here for E. Crack. I was selecting wrong slot. Oh yes, now but please make sure you configure project paths so you can add textures to your project. We also have a resource collector. Any new texture which you import, you can add directly to your project. They will be saved automatically. I have got texture maps from Ambient CG. PDS Max supports texture from this web page. All assets. Metal. But keep in mind that sometimes they add new textures. Oh, this is very nice. I like this texture. But at the moment I don't need it. I like how they updated this web page. Concrete. I like concrete materials. This could be suitable when you want to create a model of the stairs. That file is quite huge. I would rather to use PNG format for displays map to have high quality. Wow, this is huge. I didn't expect that map to be huge. It is seamless. Doesn't have ugly seams. Wow, wonderful, amazing. I have to check for empty slots. I think I would like to use it maybe for stairs. Mm, maybe interior wall. Any reflections I can still decrease. Roughness. Okay, base material. Well, because at the same time, I wanted to show to you how I import textures to my project location. Because when you want to uh, take your project somewhere else to use on a different computer, that could be useful and essential. What we have, so we can go to we can go to Weekmap. Sorry, I was talking a little bit quiet because people are sleeping. PNG. I wonder how does this look. Uh, Anytime I have to use UV unwrap because I didn't unwrap this object completely. At least it is working as expected. I remember when I was working with old versions of this program and it was very buggy and it was crashing all the time. But now it is working without any problems. How we can import the displacement? But I would rather to. Oh no. I don't necessarily like when it behaves like that. So I have to go to that slot and turn icon on again. I don't like how this program works. Okay, I haven't saved it to library. I don't know why this program has this option make material copy. I cannot get that. And after that we can use the resource collector. How many textures have we got? I have to update video tutorial when use resource collector. So you can also add more vectors. some options. Oh, measure, this is nice. Okay, but make sure you go to utilities before you use resource collector. What I shouldn't use? No, this one you don't need, this one you don't need. That option was causing my program to hang and to get stuck, so I didn't use this option. So do not use this, because this will cause your program to hang, to get stuck. Oh, now we have extra maps in our folder, so anytime you open this thing, you can aim for maps. And I hope you like the video tutorial, but that one is very accurate.